Assalamu alaikum guys, this is Nada from Working Girl Cooks. How are you? Hope you all will be fine by the grace of Allah. Guys, today I am going to share turmeric milk or haldi wala doodh with you, which is also known as golden milk. As we know that turmeric contains the active ingredient curcum, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which helps in weight loss by helping increasing the flow of bile, an important factor in digesting dietary fat. It also helps to detoxify liver. To check out my video on the benefits of turmeric, you can find the link in the description box below and at the end of the video. Let's talk about turmeric milk or haldi wala doodh. It is known an ancient Ayurvedic remedies used from very long time, especially in Indo-Pak. Both milk and turmeric are antioxidant. We know that milk makes our bones strong, so combined with turmeric, it provides additional benefits. It is considered as a powerful antioxidant and helps in blood purification and detoxifies liver. It is also known as an antibacterial, antiviral and antifungal, and it is perfect when colds or the flu strikes. If turmeric milk is taken daily, it will boost your immunity. Now let me show you how I make turmeric milk. Add a cup of whole milk in a saucepan. Here you can use almond milk, coconut milk, oat milk, rice milk or even soya milk. Once the milk starts to boil, add half teaspoon turmeric powder. You can use turmeric paste as well. Now mix it well. Now add quarter teaspoon freshly grated black pepper and give it a good mix. Now add half teaspoon of coconut oil. You can use ghee or butter, it's entirely up to you. I prefer to use organic coconut oil. Now mix it well. If you want, you can add half teaspoon honey in it. As we know, there is shifa in honey. I am adding just half teaspoon to combine all the flavor together. Now mix well and switch off the flame. Golden milk or haldi wala doodh is ready. Here I am going to show you how to make it frothy and bubbly. Pour the milk from the little distance to another pot and repeat this process few times, and you can see how it becomes frothy. Doing this, temperature will be come down and it could be consumed immediately. For flavoring, you can add crushed cardamom or a pinch of saffron. Having golden milk gives your glowing complexion, so try to include it in your daily diet, especially night time, and enjoy all the benefits of turmeric along with a good night's sleep. If you are using it, please let me know in the comments how it is helping you. Until next time, take care. Assalamu alaikum. Allah Hafiz.